Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back, I really appreciate it. This video took a lot longer to make than planned, mainly because of the current situation in England. If you know what's happening with the weather, you know. I will be reviewing the Seat Altea XL today. And people have been asking me, why Seat? Why the Altea from all the cars? Let me just show you. Without further ado, let's jump into the car, take it for a spin. This runs the 1.6 TDI. It's the same engine family you'll find across a lot of VWs. Same efficiency, same reliability. And the Altea's twin sister is the VW Golf Plus. Same car, just different badge. And here is the DSG7 speed, and shows you how it works. One clutch releases, the other one engages, and vice versa. It's always ready for the next gear up or down. If looked after and maintained properly, it can live for decades. So now we know that the Altea is solid. It shares the same VW Group platform, which is the PQ35, same as Faraday's mentioned earlier in the A3, Octavia, Golf, etc. This means overall the fundamentals of this car are solid. Suspension, chassis, steering, layout. It's a proper VW Group engineering. And what makes this car special is it's not trying to be sporty, it's not trying to be luxurious. You get high driving position without feeling like a van. It's comfortable on a long journey. It just floats, stable on the motorway, easy around the town. And the engine, especially the 1.6 TDI, are very known for efficiency and reliability when looked after. All you need to do is change the timing kit, which is the timing belt as well as the water pump, every 50 to 60,000 miles or 5 years, whatever comes sooner. The key issues to look out for this car is the EGR and the DPF. What the EGR does is sends a small amount of emissions back into the engine for recombustion. Essentially, it lowers the emissions, but it makes it dirty after a while, so it needs to be cleaned. And the DPF, the diesel particulate filter, its job is just basically to catch particles before they leave the car. If you drive on a steady speed, what the DPF does is heats up and cleans itself. This is called regeneration. So it's basically a VW with sleek aerodynamics. And the XL is so spacious. I can't tell you how spacious it is. There is compartments everywhere.
About to catch another fight, yeah. The apple bottom make him wanna bite, yeah. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke, close your eyes.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe to 160SR for more.